Ahora.
Just point at it.
Yeah, it's in the backwash.
But no, there's no water in here.
No.
There's no water in there.
No.
The balloon is still empty.
Yeah.
And it's leaking like a maniac.
Yeah. It's in the backwash. Yeah. There's no water in the top. Yeah.
It's to point up there to make sure that that is dry.
Yeah. That area is dry here. No water.
Okay.
So yeah. I think.
Papi, just point there because it's coming more from that area right there.
Yeah.
Papi, just point there, please.
Okay. It's from here.
Papi, with your headlight. With your headlight is what I want you to point at.
Okay. Right there. See it? Right here.
And most of the water is coming from that, Papi, just your head. Your head on the other balloon. See
on
where?
The other balloon.
Yeah, because that's where most of the water is. Papi, just point.
No water in the balloon.
Okay, on that one there's no water, but the other one is
water
dry.
in the balloon.
But the water is coming out below it. Most of it.
Yeah, it's coming out below it. Yeah. 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 Alright.
With your head, point where the water. Yeah.
Right here, right here, right here, right here, right there.
Most of it is coming from that area, right where you're pointing.
Yeah. Yep. Good.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
And let's just point out that this is totally dry.
Yeah.
There's no water whatsoever coming from there.
Yeah.
And we still have the water. Papi, just point here with your head, please. See? We still have water running everywhere.
Yeah.
But not here.
Yeah.
See? Water running. No water.
No.
No water. Water here. Can you please? Water here and there. The rest is dry. Except all that jacket, around that red jacket.
Yeah.
And obviously on the floor. Wait.
Yeah.
Rivers and rivers of water. Yay!
Yeah.